Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. What we have here today is a 1960s style 42-inch Noel Candle made by Poloron. As you can see, it's in pretty good condition. It's slim. It has the dripping wax and it looks like it's the twisted one. It's actually beautiful. I do have another one. The base of it is broken in the middle. If anybody knows where I can get a replacement one or a replacement flame, please leave it in the comments. Be much appreciated. As you can see, amazing for its age. I love this candle, always wanted it.